Hello guys and welcome back to YouTube. So in this quick episode I will demonstrate you how you can use a very popular bash command to hide your sensitive information when you uh, paste something in your terminal and you don't want to share this to everyone. So uh, this is how you can do this. In a bash script we actually have the command calls read. So this command is very handy because it's taking the user input, and this command also has some specific flag when you can hide the input. So let me demonstrate this quickly. So if I type read and just press enter, so as for now the bash is waiting for the input from myself, from the user. So I can, for example, type this is a test and press enter. So by default, all text which I put after the read command, it's saved into the reply variable. If I do echo reply, I see that this is a test. This is my text which I entered. So, but what if I want to put something sensitive, something like maybe my password or maybe some token or something? So I can do this easily using the specific flag -s. So let me see, read -s, and then I need to specify the variable where this text will be saved. So in that case, my variable name is myvar. So if I press enter, you see there's a nice key. And now if I type something like this is a test from secrets, whatever, nothing to show, right? At the same time, if I do echo myvar, here we go. This is the text which we hide from the user. So yeah, you can use this in your tutorials. So I didn't know about this command. I just recognized this recently, this flag -s. So it's very handy. Take this approach if you want to hide something when you share the screen, or maybe you do this in front of your colleagues or something and you don't want to share your password. So it's also helpful. Okay, with all this, thank you so much for your watching and be in touch. Bye bye.